Understanding, that was a bad call. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or TV shows. That was a bad call. It's a great example of how English speakers often use short phrases to convey complex ideas. So, let's break it down together and make sure you can use it confidently in your own conversations. The phrase, "that was a bad call," is commonly used to criticize a decision or judgment that someone has made. It implies that the decision was not a good one and possibly led to negative outcomes. This phrase is often used in sports contexts to criticize the decisions of referees or coaches, but it can also be applied in everyday life situations, from business decisions to personal choices. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to see "that was a bad call" in action. Here are a few examples. 1. In sports, after a referee makes a controversial decision, a commentator might say, "that was a bad call. It clearly should have been a penalty." 2. In business, if a company decides to launch a new product that fails to attract customers, an analyst might comment, "investing in that product was a bad call. They didn't understand their market." 3. In personal situations, after someone decides not to bring an umbrella and it rains, a friend might say, "not bringing an umbrella was a bad call. We're soaked now." When you want to use "that was a bad call," it's important to understand the context. This phrase is best used in informal situations and with people you are relatively comfortable with. It's a direct way of expressing disagreement with a decision, so ensure it's appropriate for the situation to avoid offending anyone. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "that was a bad call." We hope this video has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, learning these expressions can really add nuance to your English communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using what you've learned today in your conversations. See you in the next video.